Alright, so basically we're going to put new bearings in. We have to repack them. Probably should pull all the nasty grease out of there. Which I probably will just take a shirt and see if I can pull it through. It's gonna make a mess. All the old grease. Basically, it's completely clean. Clean as a whistle. There ain't a damn thing in there. Granted, it's on the shirt, but that's why you have shop rags. All that came out of there, and it's clean as clean can get. Now this is the back where your axle bearings and stuff. Rear axle bearings, they're trash. We're gonna repack them, put them back in here. Brand new seals. Here's the old ones. Old bearings. It does come with a clip that goes over the bearings. I'm gonna probably go ahead and knock them out just to replace them with new, which you can just basically be careful. Put your flathead and there it is. Granted, could you probably reuse it? Yeah. But if it's the original one, you might as well replace it. But we're going to send another rag down through it. Just to make sure we get all the debris out. Don't want debris going into the bearings. Ran some part cleaner through it. I use marine grade grease just because you're going in water, mud, and it just makes more sense to use marine grease for it don't break down as quick in water. Make sure it's seated all the way to the bottom. See what the new bearing looks like in there. Perfect. Perfecto. have to pack that before I stick it in here. Before we get into all that, make sure it's clean again. And then I like to use a sealant on the outside of the seal that goes in. Make sure that this open part faces in, not outward, or else you're going to have a problem. So I will make sure everything's good again. I'm going to put the sealant on that here in a split second. Get the bearing packed. Make sure it's really packed in there. Press it into the crack behind here in the bearing. Shove it all in here and then in the front crack. Make sure it's really good. You can also just put it in a case like this. Press it in and go spin it as you're pressing it. Then you just drop it on in. Make sure everything's good. So what you want to do is you want to put the sealant around the rim of the seal. This shirt don't slide out or pop out or anything like that. Once it dries, it's in there. Once you get that done, you want to put this back on. And that is it. It's on. It's in. Now we're going to repeat. This is going to dry. Once it dries, it shouldn't come out. We're going to repeat to this side. Make sure it's all the way down and in. And that is it. That's all she wrote. Now you wait till it dries. Stick her on. Then go make sure you can go ahead and fill this inside here with grease once you get it all back together. Make sure you don't over grease it, because you can push the seals out by putting too much grease in it. So when you start feeling resistant, when you start putting the grease in, I would stop after that.